Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss IBPS Clerk Prelims Mock Test 2 explanation. Okay. So in this, the first section is reasoning. Right. So we'll start. Right. Question number 1 to 3 are based on a small puzzle. You can see here a company ABC printed different number of books in different years 1947, 1956, 1987, 1998, 2002 such that the number of books printed are not the same in any year. 66 books were printed in an odd number year, which is not 1947. So there are different years given here: 1947, 1956, 1987, 1998, and 2002. Okay, like this you have different number of years, different years. Okay, so 66 books were not printed in an odd number year. So it is not 66. It is not 66. These two are not 66. Okay, and the number of books printed in 1947 is 10 less than that printed in 1987. 1987. The difference between them is 10. Okay. This is 10 less than 1997. This is what is given. 59 books were printed in a year before the year in which 61 books were printed, but not immediate before. So please understand here, the number of 59 books were printed in a year before the year in which 61 books are printed, but not the immediate year, but not immediate before. Number of books printed in 2002 is 2 more than the books printed in 1998. So see here, I am taking this statement. 61 books are printed. Where is that? 59 books are printed in a year before the year in which 61 books are printed, but not immediate before. So what I am taking is, this I am taking as 61, this I am taking as 59. The number of books printed in 2002 is 2 more than that in 1998. So it will be how much? 63. Now 63. Now what you have what is given? 66 books were printed in an odd number year, which is not 1947. Which is not 1947 means it cannot be 1947. So it can be 1947. It can be in an odd number year means it is only possible. 66 only possible here. And it is minus 10. Minus 10 means it has to be 56. It has to be 56. Okay, 66 minus 10 is 56. So it is the overall thing. How many books are printed in 1947? So answer is 56. Answer is 56. Next, second question. What is the difference between the number of books printed in 1956 and 2002? So it is 63 minus 59. 63 minus 59. So the answer is 4. Answer is 4. Next, in how many years the number of books printed are more than that printed in 1998? In 1998 we have 61. So more than 61. More than 61. What are the values you have? 63 comma 66. These two are the only things, numbers we have, 1987 and 2002. So only two, option A. Then next, how many words can be formed from the first, sixth, eighth and ninth letters of the word by using each letter only once? Okay, so here how many meaningful words I think it is? How many meaningful words can be formed? First, sixth one means which one here? C. And eighth one P. Ninth one A. So E, C, P, A. By using this, I can write PACE as well as CAPE only once, right? So I can form two meaningful words. Two meaningful words. So answer is 2. If all the letters of the word figures are arranged in alphabetical order. So if all them are arranged in the alphabetical order, first you will get E, then I, what? Alphabetical order from left to right in such a way that the vowels are arranged first followed by consonants. In how many letters are, in how many letters, in how many the letters are there in between U and R after the arrangement. So vowels have to be arranged first. So E, I, U, they have to be arranged first. Then after that, consonants F, G, R, S. So when the vowels are arranged and consonants are arranged later according to the alphabetical order, this is the order we have come across. Now the letters between U and R, how many are there? 2. So answer is 2. Answer is 2. Next one. If in the number 39682147, 1 is added to each of the digit which is less than 5 and 1 is subtracted from each of the digit which is greater than 5, then how many digits are repeating in the number thus found? So when the given instructions are followed, so 1 is added to the each of the digit which is less than 5, less than 5. So I will get 4, 8, 5, 7, 3, 2, 5, 6. So which digit is repeated? Only 5. Only 5 is repeated. So only one digit is repeated, that is 5. Now next one. Next question. 7th and 8th are based on a blood relation based small puzzle. So if you see, all of the given numbers belong to the same family. All the given numbers belong to same family. J is the brother of L. So if you see here, J is the brother of L. L is the only son of R. L is the, what is that? J is the only son of R. J is the only son of R means this married couple, J is the only son of R. J is the only son of R. Okay, next. W is the father-in-law of L. W is the father-in-law of L. So W is the father-in-law of L. So L is married. L is married to someone and his father, okay, is W. W is the father-in-law of L. W is the father-in-law of L. Next. D is the maternal grandfather of P. D is the maternal grandfather of P who is a male. D is the maternal grandfather of P who is a male. Next. D is the maternal grandfather means, so definitely L is, and what is given, if J is the only son, definitely L has to be daughter. L has to be daughter. So this married couple R and someone, son is J, L is the daughter, and D is the maternal grandfather of P. D is the maternal grandfather of P means here definitely L's child is P, who is a male. Who is a male? Q is the only son of W. Q is the only son of W. Q is the only son of W. Okay. So L and Q are married couple. W is the grandfather of N. W is the grandfather of N, and C is the W is the grandfather of N. W is the grandfather of N. Okay, W is the grandfather of N means it is like this. W is the grandfather of N, and C is the daughter of N. C is the daughter of N. W is the grandfather of N. W is the grandfather of N, and next is D is the maternal grandfather. D is the maternal grandfather of P. D is the maternal grandfather, so R is mother. So now this is what you can say, L and Q. This L and Q married couple, one is P. It is given P is here, right? So you can say like this finally, this is P. Okay, and this is N and C. C is the daughter of N. Finally, how is L related to C? How is L related to C? So, how is L related to C? None of this, because see here, this is what parents mother, grandmother. The answer is grandmother, but it is not there. So answer is none of this. How is P related to N? How is P related to N? How is P related to N? N is the brother, because he is definitely male. The gender is not known. So P is the brother of N. P is the brother of N. P is the brother of N. Next. Now next. 9 to 11. So point U is 10 meter to the north of Q. Point U is 10 meter to the north of Q. Okay. Next. So there is a point U. Okay, which is 10 meter to the north of Q. This is Q. It is 10 meter. Point T is 10 meter to the east of U. This is 10 meter. And this is point T. And point S is 15 meter to the south of T. This is 10. If you see, this is 10. This is 5. Next. Point P is 20 meter to the south of Q. Point P is 20 meter to the south of Q. So it is like this. Point P. This is 20 meter. Next. Point L is 15 meter to the east of S. Point L is 15 meter to the east of S. Where is S? Where do we have S here? Point S is 15 meter. So this is S. Okay. Now point L is 15 meter to the east of S. This is 15. This is L. And point M is midpoint of U and P. Midpoint of U and P. This total is 30. So somewhere here 10 plus 5, some 15. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, this is which one? Point M. Point M. This is what is given now finally. Now, what is the distance between L and R? What is the distance between L and R? Where do we have R here? Point R is 25 meters to the east of point P. So this is 10, this is 15. So this is point R. So what is the distance between L and R? So if you see here L and R, this is 15. This is 15, 10 plus 5, 15. This should be 15. So L and R is also 15. So answer is 15. Option B is correct. Next. In which direction is point T with respect to P? With respect to T, with respect to P, T is northeast. T is northeast. Next. Which of the following points are in line? P, R, S. No Q, M, L. No U, S, T. No, only UK are there. M, S, L. Yes, M, S, L are in the same line. If you observe here, M, S, L are on the same line. So the answer is option D here. Next one. See, 12 persons sitting in 2 rows. There are 2 rows. We have 12 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 persons sitting. So D, E, F, K, L, M are facing north. D, E, F, K, L, M are facing north. S, T, U, W, X, Y, Z. S, T, U, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z are facing south direction. E6, third from one of the extreme end. So E6 third from one of the extreme end means E can be here or E can be here. I am taking here and I am solving one possibility. S6 second to the left of the one who faces E. So if I am taking E here, then S has to be here. S has to be here. Only 3 persons sits between S and T. Definitely 3 persons means here T must be this one. T must be this one. Now K6 somewhere right of M. K6 somewhere right of M. K6 somewhere right of M. K6 right of M. Okay. K6 right of M. More than 3 persons sit between X and T. More than 3 persons sits between X and T means definitely X has to be this one. Next. F faces one of the immediate neighbors of T. F faces the immediate neighbors of T means F has to be here. F has to be here. F has to face this person. Next. Z6 second to the right of Y. Z6 second to the right of Y means the only possibility this is Y, this is Z. Z is to the second to the right of Y because they are facing south here. Next, the one who faces L. The one who faces L sits third to the left of U. Third to the left of U. So see here, the one third. So who is the remaining person? Who is the remaining person here? The remaining person here is only U. Okay. The one who faces L sits third to the left of U. So where we should have L here. L has to be here. L has to be here. Third to the left of U. First left, second left, third left. Third left of U is this one. So L faces this person. Next, D faces S. So it has to be D. And it is given K is to the right of M. Definitely it has to be K and it has to be M. That's it. Now if you see who among the following faces K, the answer is Y. The answer is Y. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. Next. Who among the following faces the immediate neighbor of M? Immediate neighbor of M is F. F is facing Z. Z means it is A. Next one. Four of the following form a group. Which among the following does not belong to this group? T and E. T and E. How they are? If you see T, E, U, D, T, E, U, D, Y, L, Y, L, T, E, U, D, Y, L, Z, E, Z, E, Z, E. Next, Z, K, Z, K. If you see here, how these are, T is facing, so the arrangement is like this. It is giving TE. Okay? TE. So the first person is facing the second person's, the first person is second to the first person T is second to the right of the one who is facing. The first person is second to the right of the person who is facing second person. So TE like this, TE, and second option we have here, it is given like this. See, TE UDYL, TE UDYL. These three are of one format, but Z and E has. ZE means immediate. ZE means immediate. But here you have one gap between U and D. There is one person gap here. So the first three are similar. Fourth one is different. ZE is different. ZE is different. ZK also following the same pattern. The different one is ZE here. ZE. The next one. Who among the following faces the one who sit to the immediate left of Y? So the immediate left of Y is yes. Immediate left of Y is yes. Who is facing S? S is facing D. So answer is option B. Next. Next one. How many persons sit between M and D? Between M and D you have three persons, F, E and K. So 3 persons, option C. Next. 5 people A, B, C, X, Y, Z live on different floors of a building, ground floor 1 and top floor 6. There are 3 floors between A and B. There are 3 floors between A and B. X lives on one of the floors above Y. X lives on one of the floors above Y. So there are in total 6. Okay, X is definitely above Y. X is definitely above Y. Now there are 3 floors between A and B. So total you have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total you have 5 floors. So 5 floors means the first one can be AB or the last one can be B or A. And there are 3 floors in between. And X lives on the floor above Y. Above Y. X lives above Y means here it can be X. Here if you have X, Y can be here or here as well. Okay. And if here you have X, okay, here you will have Y. Okay. And and what next is given? If here you have X, here you have Y, here you have Z. And here if you have X, here if you have Y, here you will have Z. And next what? Here it can be Z also. So it can be X, Y or Z. It can be X or Z. It can be Z or Y. Now, who among the following lives on third floor? On third floor, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be X, Y or Z. Cannot be determined. Cannot be determined is the answer. Now next question number 18. Which of the following could come in this place? A, B, 3, A, B, 3, C, E, 6, F, F, I, 10, J, N, 15. So if you see A, B, C, E, F, I, J, N, the next it has to be O, T. A, B, no difference. Here A plus 1, B, C plus 2, F plus 3, J plus 4. So O plus 5 has to be there. O, and how you are getting O? 1, this is 1, this is 3, this is 6, this is 10. So plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, next plus 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15 O. So here OT. Now same here, 3, 6, 10, 15, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, next it has to be plus 6. Plus 6 means how much? 15 plus 6 is 21. OT 21. OT 21 is the answer. Next. Now please see here, the questions based on gender sufficiency are given. Each of the following, see here. Who sits immediate to left of, who sits immediate left of Ravi, who is sitting in a row? Who sits immediate left of Ravi? Immediate left of Ravi. All the persons who are sitting are facing north direction. All are facing north direction is given. Now there are only two persons sitting between Sahil and Geeta. There are only two persons sitting between Sahil and Geeta, with all the persons who are sitting in a row facing north. Geeta, more than 3 persons sit left of Geeta. Left of Geeta. Not more than 8 persons can sit in a row. So maximum you can place how many? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maximum 8. So it can be 8 or less than 8. Now Ravi sits second to the left of Sahil. For example, see Ravi sits second to the left of Sahil. Next, between Sahil and Geeta, you have how many persons? There are only 2 persons. Between Sahil and Geeta, you have only 2 persons. Now next, Divya sits 6 places away from Geeta. So there cannot be more than 8. So Geeta cannot be on this side. Geeta has to be on this side. Divya sits 6 places away from Geeta. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is Divya. Okay. So this is the thing we can have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maximum here you can have 7 persons. So it is maximum 8. So it is only 7. Okay. Maximum 8 means it can be 8 or less than 8. So this is the thing we have. Now who sits to the immediate left of Ravi? Who sits to the immediate left of Ravi? Divya. You can answer this when you consider both the statements. So both 1 and 3 are required. Both 1 and 2 are required. So option E is correct. Next. What is the code of right? Code of right. So the code of right. So right is here and here. In both the things you have. So what is common here? Percentage is common. 47 is common. Yes or no? Percentage is common. 47 is common. Star is common. 32 is common. Star is common. 32 is common. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Percentage 47. Star 32, both are common. So by getting these two also, you cannot say what is the exact code of right. It can be percentage 47 or star 32. So the answer is both the statements are not sufficient. Exactly you cannot say. Next one. Find the number of boys and number of girls in a row. R6, 18 from left hand of the row, and Y6, 11th from right hand of the row. R and Y interchange their positions. After interchanging the positions, R's position is 20th from left. If 43 students are there in the row, all are facing the same direction. Number of boys. So we cannot find the number of boys and number of girls. Number of girls. So here the answer is both 1 and 2 are not sufficient. 1 and 2 are not sufficient. Next, 22 to 26. Please see here. Which of the following is the fifth to the left of the 17 from left? So 17 minus 5 means you need 12th left. 12th from left. So 12th from left is which one here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is D. Answer is D. Next. Which of the following is exactly in the middle between D and U? Between D and U, which is exactly in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you can say which one is middle? Which is middle here? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 means 7th one is the middle. Here 7th one is 9. 7th one is 9. So 9 is the middle. Next. 4 of the following are alike in such a way based on their positions and so form a group which is different. So RIE, R1E, there is one gap. Then F7D, one gap. M23, one gap. 9HW, one gap. UJ6, the right side one is given, so it is different. It is different. How many such symbols are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a number but not immediately followed by a consonant? So after symbol there should not be consonant, but before symbol you should have a number. What are such numbers you have, such symbols you have? So 1 at the rate. After that you have E, right? And the second one is you have 3 percentile. 3 percentile. After that you don't have consonant. And after that you have 8 star. After symbol you don't have consonant. So there are 3. There are 3. Next, which of the following is the 10th to the left of the 13th from right edge? So 10th to the left of 13th from right edge. So what is the answer here? If you see, which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So which of the following? 23rd now you require 10th from left hand of the 13th from right hand. So you have to add 13 plus 10, which is 23rd from right. 23rd from right. 23rd from right is F now. So answer is F. Answer is F. Next one. Who among the following sits third to left of F? So there is a circular arrangement here. 8 persons circular arrangement. 8 persons circular arrangement. So if you see here, all are facing center. H faces B. H faces B. 2 persons sits between F and B. H faces B. Okay. 2 persons sits between F and B. E6 second to the right of D. F6 second to the right of C. C, who is the immediate neighbor of G. C is not the immediate neighbor of B. C cannot be here. It is not C, it is not C. This is important. And it is given that two persons are between F and B. So if B is here, I can take F here or I can take F here. Okay? And and what else is given? F6 second to the right of C. F6 second to the right of C means F6 second to the right of C. If I take F here, then C has to be here. Okay, but C should not be here. So definitely I have to take F here only. F cannot come here because if F is here, C has to be here, right? Now F6 second to the right of C means definitely now C has to be here. C is the immediate neighbor of G, so it is G. C is not immediate neighbor of B, it's already over. Now next two persons, E6 second to the right of D. E6 second to the right of D means E6 second to the right of D not possible. E6 second to the right of D is possible here. The remaining person who is left is A. So this is the arrangement. Who among the following six third to left of F? So third to left, first, second and third. So it is G. G is the answer. So G is the answer. G is not there. G is not there in the options. So answer is none of these. Now 28th one. Who among the following faces A? Who is facing A? G. So it is option D. Next. Quotes. We have to write good, key, friends, law, found, data, then good. Good is there first and last. What are common in first and last? Good. Here we have P and here also we have P. So good is P. Good is P. Next, key. Key is there first and second. In first and second, what is common? In first and second, the common is XO. So XO is common. So key is already used. Now friend should be CM. Now you have found here law found data key. Data key is already used. Key is what? XO. Key is XO. Now data would be TU. And good is already used. Now law and found we have. One is OG or BT. The other is BT or OG. We don't know. So which of the following is the code for good? The answer is P. P, option B. Next. What is the code for OG? OG can be what? OG can be either found or law. Okay, any of A or C. So either A or C is the answer. Next. If see this is the thing given. 6 numbers are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 2 is subtracted from second digit of all odd numbers, and 2 is subtracted from first digit of all even numbers, then which number is the lowest? Which number is the lowest number after the arrangement? So 2 is subtracted from second digit of all the odd numbers. For example, 563 is a odd number. So 2 is subtracted, it becomes 543. Like that, the entire sequence becomes 543, 418, 932, 471 and 909. Okay. And now it is asked which number is lowest number. Which number is lowest number here? The lowest number is this one only, 418. 418 means which one? What is the option here? The answer is 218, option A. Option A. Next, if third digit of the highest number is divided by the first digit of the lowest number, then what will be the resultant? third digit of the highest number is 9 and the first digit of the lowest number is 2. The result is 4.5. 9 by 2 is 4.5. Next, if all the digits in each number are arranged in increasing order. So, first of all, it is 356, 128, 237, 149 and 299. Then which of the number will be the highest number after arrangement? So which is the highest number here? Highest number would be 356 only. So 563. Option D is correct. Next. How many numbers will be there in the given series in which the addition of first and third digits is greater than second digit? Greater than second digit. So, is it so? How many numbers? It's over. How many numbers will be there in the given series in which the addition of first and third digits are greater than second digit? So 5 plus 3, it is satisfying. So it is 563, 218, 732 and 929. So you have 4. You have 4. Next, how many numbers will be there in the given series in which the difference of first and third digit is greater than second digit? So if you see the difference of first and third is greater than second. So you can find here 218. Okay, 8 minus 2 is 6 is greater than the second digit. Similarly, you can find 732. 732. 7 minus 2 is 5 greater than 3. The remaining it is not satisfying. So answer is only 2. Only 2. 218 and 732. Next. So this is the reasoning paper discussion for today. IBPS Clerk mock test 2. So we will again connect with the next paper discussion. Thank you so much.